Good morning, guys. I had recorded another video, just the beginning of it, and uh, I accidentally deleted it. Shoot, I meant to add another. I got really lazy on this trade. I meant to add another 20 contracts to that, and it already took off, and I forgot about the numbers coming out at 9:55. Off the ball today, and this is what happens. I only got in 10 contracts. Now there is no way for me to. This is what happens when you're not prepared. And one of the reasons I don't make videos in the morning is because of I do heavy size in the morning normally, and I don't like doing videos because I get distracted. So I just basically, for me, this is a really, really small size, only 10 contracts. Disappointing, but okay. Anyways, let's move on. Okay, so I believe the morning gaps still are not filled. So, okay. Here's what my plan was. My plan was to get long and turn it either into an intraday position trade, or if we get a strong directional move, just cover. Now that I'm only basically one third of the position size that I wanted to do, I wanted to do 30 contracts minimum. I'm only in 10, so now I will have to, I guess, readjust. There's absolutely no way I'm gonna add to this position around this area. ES just filled its gap. YM filled its gap. So just look for some people to take some profits here. Okay, guys, I don't want this video to get longer than about 10 minutes. So I'm still long that 10 contracts, which is basically minuscule, but I'm not over it yet, so I'll try to get over it. What I'm gonna do is around this area, when we get around this area, I'm gonna get out 3 contracts, and then I'll move my stop to a safe position. In other words, to break even. Okay. So I'll keep pausing this video, but I'll update it as price action moves. There's a big battle going on here, and because of seeing that in price action, I'm not going to take a chance, and I'm moving my stop to break even now. I have my first 3 sitting here at 81. These 3 lines, there's a battle. There's basically a brawl between bears and bulls right now, between buyers and sellers. So hopefully I'm on the right side. I did move up my stop because of seeing that action in price. So normally I wouldn't have moved it up that quickly. Now I want to see my first PT get taken out, and then I'll manage the rest. Okay, so it appears that I got lucky and I was right this time. That's a joke. I don't believe in luck with trading, but they're still coming in. So every time we go up, sellers are coming in to the market. It's pretty tough for the buyers in this market. definitely resistance right in this area, 1079.50. As long as we can hold this low here, this is a major support. As long as we can hold that, it'll be fine. Below that, it's a problem. So and that's 77.50, and my stop is at 77. So about a couple ticks above it, below that. So I'll just leave it as is. Here's one more push by buyers. If this, I want to see this bar expand nicely. Expands nicely, then gives me some information to work with. Okay, it closed above the resistance. Let's see if they can keep it up. Okay, so they pushed it above 81. My charts are lagging because some big orders came in. Okay, there we go. So now I'm sitting on break even, and I'm just going to manage the rest. I canceled that. I'm gonna just move it to cover commissions. Guys, this is what happens when you get distracted, etc. with trading. It really works against you, because this is a trade that I had planned early morning. This was my plan of action. I wanted to get long, and I dilly-dallied and only got in with a third of the amount of contracts I wanted to get in with. So now it made managing the position a lot more difficult. Okay, let's see if we can take the yesterday's highs, 83.50. See how price action reacts around to that area. Okay, YM's the only one that's hanging below that high. Okay, I'm gonna exit another 3 contracts. So let's see. I'll leave that 3 here. See, and if we can push a little bit higher, then that's even better. But I want to get out another 3. Okay, so now it looks like we're gonna take out the highs from yesterday. It's the only one that's giving us a little bit of problem. It's YM. Looks like they don't want to let me sell 3. Okay, there's that, and I'll just move my stop break even another point up there, and the rest I'm just going to manage. I'm going to take a break and just clear my head, because I'm still a little bit affected that I didn't get in with made a mistake and didn't get in full size. So I'm going to take a break and just okay guys, I'm just going to wrap this video up. It's getting a lot longer than I wanted to. Just going to close it out, take a break, and I'll start trading in a few again.